Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, people, I come to talk about this very sad situation, my people, that took place in Jamaica, my people, yesterday, Monday, the 13th of December, 2021, people, involving where a 26-year-old female was killed, people. You understand? And sadly, people, them say at the time, she was 5 months pregnant. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So my viewers and my subscribers, I have an article right now in front of me, people, where me I go read right about now about this gruesome and deadly incident, people, that took place in Kingston, Jamaica. And my people, all I'm saying, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Shantiva Griffiths reportedly left her job shortly after 6 p.m. on Monday and was on her way to the bus park to meet a relative when she was shot dead. Killer close marked the 26-year-old as she made her way across Orange Street and pumped at least 2 shots into her head before making good his escape. Griffiths reportedly fell face down on Orange Street in proximity to a stall as vendors scampered for cover, leaving their goods. The deceased sister, who was on the scene Monday night, could not contain her grief. She told news that Griffiths, who resided in Harborview, was about 6 months pregnant. At least 2 relatives were called to the scene to identify the victim. Griffiths had received death threats prior to Monday's shooting, the news understands. The crime scene was cordoned off as detectives carried out preliminary investigations. Me hear the shot them and look around and see people are running a ball. Most people know her because she work in the liquor store right there, so, an eyewitness said. The Kingston Central Police are probing the homicide. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my viewers and subscribers, eh? So, you know when things like them happen, people, very sad situation. She just work across the road, there's a people, working class girl and thing, people, wasn't like, you know what I mean, people, big up to the ladies, them, you see me, but working class female, you see me, and she comes a boom across the road for go meet a relative, my people, which, you know, me now go pray say a relative set her up, there's some people, you see, but I hate was placed on her head, and based on information, I may get people two-sided of information. Seeing everything I come from the preg. You see me, I say everything I come from there. So because two-sided of information goes like this, people, that she have a friend, Zane, and basically she was seeing her friend man and thing. You get what I say, which turned out to be her ex-friend, no more friend no more, and she do get preg for that ex-friend man something. You see me, I say, people, then other info reached to me and I say, yo, NEWLINK, she was preg allegedly for a married man and thing, and the married man wife hire this on her. You see me, I say, people, so basically the two-sided of information, and I say it goes where she get preg. You see me, and on a real level, my viewers and subscribers, we know what Jamaica go right now, people. Zane, and at least look at thing you have with people now, at least look at different people, because the scheme now, the hire hitman is just like, oh, you the hire a mason, you the hire a plumber, you understand? You the hire somebody to come cut your yard. It's so easy where people can just hire people nowadays, my viewers and subscribers. Reality, Zane, because if she stays a boom now, people, Zane, and did you know, things do happen where she do get pregnant, something, man. Them say, why if you do call out that and that, people. And I'm saying and looking to the whole thing, honestly, my people, did she hold your hussy? Did she time? Did she, you know what I mean, and do this? Me understand says some female do get caught up because, you know, they cannot resist. But you know that sometimes they resist and the man just conquer them weakness so easily. You know, not everybody made the same, you know, people. Me know now go say, yo, she should have got this, but yo, me I tell you these people, you have some female who do resist and the man do get the powers, you know, because I'm telling the people it's spiritually, and the man powers do conquer them and have them so, Zine. But I'm saying, ladies, or married woman, whatever wanna be, you don't have an Aussie. When the Aussie go out, they go do something, right? And basically him get somebody preg. You get me? It do happen. You find out or whatever, could be your friend, ex-friend, whatever happens, Zine. And in the end, you put 101 million% blame on your friend. Yeah, me know it's your ex-friend, whatever. I know you're gonna say it's your friend, she used to be your friend, whatever, she should not go there and she do it maybe because I hate you and this and that and thing. But on a low level, you know, so you must give your Ozzy the biggest blame because at the end of the day, him should never reach in that palms there. Zane, but see there, who for life wanna take out? The female. On a real level, my people, this is how Jamaica is right now. Really sad situation. Two life basically gone, they say, no. Zane? And them say the it all come from Ozzy wife. And as me tell you, it's alleged, my people. Zane? And there's a lot of side to stories right now. She has previously received threats them say before. So she know that something was out there, my people. You get me? I say because she know maybe she involved in something. But basically she didn't take the threat serious. And nowadays I cannot take a threat lightly. If you do receive threats, people, come on. You have to be more careful. You have to be more vigilant. You get me? I say, which, and I really love people want you out, boy. You set away. It can't be anywhere, anyhow. You get me? But nice female. You see me? I say, life just gone like that, my people. You know? And this is the people have no remorse when they come on to people's life nowadays. You get me? Then no matter your beauty, then no matter your niceness, then no matter how you look, your friendship or nothing we have with other peoples out there. They don't go thinking about their self in the situation, people. And they don't go thinking about their self in the fact maybe you hurt them, you do something to them, you destroy for them life. You know what I mean? And only way them feel like them can't pay back is just come some man, take out the 3 points. And for the perpetrators, them who they behind this now, who squeeze that thing. Me don't love to know how much money you wanna get for go pan off, take a head. How much money? See, what can that do? Wanna see it? Or wanna mess up? Wanna mess up, you know? Really and truly mess up. For maybe 100G, 200G or what? 150G. Take out somebody 3 points. How long that can last enough? I mean, no see a Christmas on the want to know do. You want to get something, you know, in the pocket and them thing there. You see me, I say, you don't want in the pocket, buff up, you don't want to go there, so go floss and this and that. But look at it, man. You see what they put on the shoulder? Where Buju say, murderer! Blood is on your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Remember me telling you, a straight attack for Uno. Zane, me understand the situation. Say, ladies, look at the man. You know, say the man in a something. Look ya, careful of what you do. Zane, careful of not get caught up in them situation, yeah. Because them people nowadays, them evil. Ladies, if you don't know, say you did have a friend, and she did stay so boom, and she have this man, even if them do come so boom and them split up and them left, take care of yourself. Don't go close. You hear me? I tell you, no? Don't go close this, so. See? I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of this disease. I know deeply they're going through a lot. You understand? Just to imagine, you know, sister, brother, how they feel right and our people. But boy, it's really a sad situation, my people. And as I say, a straight attack for the person who hired it. Straight attack for the Ozzy or whoever they caught up with the whole thing. And straight attack for the one who comes to boom and squeeze it. No joke about it, my people. Really sad situation. Jaja see, Jaja know. So my people, big up on yourself. Stay safe out there, my people, and just do the right thing. You understand? You don't know, so the attacking master, yeah? NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Don't know? Subscribe, like, share, comment, my people. And just be safe out there, you know, because, yo, it's not a good look, my people. Peace out. Big up.